welcome back to my channel. I thought I would start a vlog. I am currently 2.5 hours away from home because on a Monday I travel to do dance teaching, so I thought I would kickstart the vlog. I'm having a coffee. Yes, it is 3 o'clock on the dot, but I teach 6 classes back to back of dancing. It is a sweaty night ahead of me and energy. Lots of kids from a number of ages. So yes, I need caffeine later in the afternoon because then I drive back 2.5 hours. So I won't be back in Melbourne until like midnight. But I went to the gym this morning and then I've just been choreographing and relaxing so I have energy. So cheers to that. It's going to be Eugene's first night. Eugene's first night coming to dance. I hope he's on his best behavior and sits in his bed. But yeah, the kids were really wanting him to. Anyway, it's Monday, kickstarting my week. This is my new routine, a big teaching day on a Monday. But I hit legs this morning and I've started my new program. So it was really, really good. I did squats, hip thrusts, split squats, leg press, hamstring curl, leg extension, calf raises. So it was a huge day of legs, but I figured it's better to do it on the same day that then I dance and my legs run around for hours because I'm always sore the next day. So I thought then I never end up training legs for another like 2 days because I'm so sore. So I thought, why not train them on the same day? So let's see if that works out for me. I might be sore. Anyway, we're about to head to the dance studio. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun week, just busy. This is my new routine, so I thought why not film it? And let's do this, lots of caffeine. Okay, I decided to reorganize my wardrobe. I've moved all my jumpers. It's like nude, beige, leather to black, to both blazers. Then I have all my nice pants hanging up, a denim jacket into a couple more pants because then it's all jeans. So that is kind of the heavy clothes done. Then a couple of my long sleeves, which honestly I don't have very many. It's literally that. And then dresses, into more beach dresses and tops. And then we go into just like my little crop tops that are hung, into shorts, skirts, and just 2 jackets because I normally grab them when I'm on this side of the mirror. So yeah, that is, I just kind of decluttered. I'm gonna get rid of a couple things. Honestly, there's just like so much more room now. But this is where I keep a lot of my folded tops, which I just need to really refold, but they're pretty good for now. And then it's just like socks, undies, and then activewear. But yeah, we won't look in that because it's very messy. I don't know what got into me. Just on my Tuesday afternoon after work, I was resting a bit and I thought, I'm just gonna tidy up my wardrobe, see if there's anything I can kind of cull and get rid of. But there honestly wasn't too much, which is probably a good sign because it means I just kind of have like, you know, exactly what I need, nothing excessive. Like my wardrobe is not full yet. There wasn't many things to throw out. So very happy with that. This is your sign, go through your wardrobe. That the results are in for my last semester uni, which I have been literally anticipating this day. Like I keep checking and checking and checking and I'm just like, where are my results? And apparently today's the day. So I'm nervous. I'm not someone who usually gets nervous about these things. Got a high distinction, what else? In pharmacology. No, a high distinction in biology. Oh my god, no, a high distinction in pharmacology, a distinction in biology, a credit. One of my classes doesn't have a score. Why? I'm so sorry. Ah! Anyway, welcome to my Thursday, since this has been like a rough weekly vlog. Anyway, so happy to have all my scores back from my last semester. Like it's amazing because I've just started the new semester. It's very happy. And now let's head to the gym and smash the back. Satisfaction. I don't know what came over me, but I got like a heap of hand-me-down containers from my nana, so I was like, all right, whew, that was a workout. But now I'm actually heading for my workout, but my Tupperware containers are sorted.
Keep going, come on, rip it out, rip it out. Come on, couple more. Good, keep going. Come on, 2 more.
Just got back from the post office collecting a parcel. Also back from the gym, which I think I included some clips, but it is still Thursday and I ordered a dress. I did express shipping. I've never ordered anything from Sabo Scare, but I've always admired because it just looks so beautiful and like coastal vibes. Anyway, it's an Australian brand. It is stunning. I ordered my first ever dress from there. So let's see, it is for like a bridal shower I have this weekend, so I'm super glad the express shipping worked. Like it came within 2 days. And this is it. It is a midi dress, like a split back, so it kind of is meant to look like a skirt and a top. It is this like waffle, that is like the true kind of color. Anyway, I think I should try it on. Okay, I wasn't sure at first, but I think it's a vibe. This is very cute. Very nice detail. I think once I have my hair done, makeup done, I think it's a really good outfit. Hi, Eugene. Happy with the purchase. It's so comfortable and yeah, something a bit different. So I'm happy. I think I'll show you Sunday when I'm fully put together and how we fully feel. Jump scare. Like I said, I would film back in when I was getting ready for this bridal shower on Sunday, which is today. It is Sunday, so happy Sunday everyone. It is probably the last day of this weekly vlog and I look absolutely crazy, but I'm trying out rollers the old-fashioned way to get my bouncy curls instead of having to full blow wave. So this is me. Anyway, time to do my makeup while these kind of set and eat, and then we'll get back once we're ready and we'll see if this works. Pretty much how I started this vlog, which is where I was like 2.5 hours away from home. Same thing tomorrow, I have dance teaching 2.5 hours away. So I'm actually packing my bag. So I'm packing my sneakers, which are brand new. I got the Nike TC7900. I don't know, anyway, this is, oh wait, I took them out of the box. Where is the other one? Yeah. These are, oh my god, I'm a mess. Anyway, my new Nike shoes. packing all my dance stuff because I'm going to head straight from the event. Okay, I can dance in them. Pack some pajamas. Put deodorant on. Don't smell. I don't know if I just flashed you, but you won't know because it'll be edited out. Anyway, let's see. I will walk to my car in my Birks and then change into my heels. Great tip. I think that's everything. Let's see. Of course, I made the oats. Literally never gets old. I love them. Eugene, what's wrong? I'm gonna finish this, finish my makeup, and then we're gonna go. I am running out of time. Okay, we're gonna take the hair out. I've nearly finished my makeup, so I thought let's just get the hair out now, which, yeah, that's kind of like a little, nice little, I got a bit tangled. I think I should spray these. Oh, there's one more. Okay, it's definitely bouncy. I feel like if I just play around with it a little bit, we achieved the look we were after. Oh my god. I am happy. I might link that below. I got it off Amazon for, I think it was like $12. Comes with like a teaser, all different sizes, and like clips. So I'll link it below, but so far, very happy. Now we just need to finish the face and the outfit. Big win. All right, we did it. She's ready. This is final. I think it looks really nice. Makeup and hair turned out pretty good, and it goes well with the dress, so yay. Okay, so I'm currently at my Nana's house, but I'm literally just doing some uni work on my iPad. This is my big day of dance teaching, so I will be heading off to dance teaching soon, but I've gone for a morning walk, gym, coffee, all of that, doing some choreography and now uni, and then I'll head off to teaching. So I've made myself a little post-lunch snack with, maybe I'll wrap up this vlog right before I head to teaching, but yeah, this is kind of my routine. Eugene. Anyway, that's my Eugene. Also, still obsessed. This is book number 2. It's not as good as the first one, but it's still really, really good, and it makes me excited for book number 3. So that's the update on that. Eugene's gonna come to dancing, aren't you? Alright, I'm going to finish this vlog because I'm off to dance teaching. Yeah, I love it. My favorite day of the week. And yeah, we got our study done, and now we gotta go. But I'm trying out my new Nikes, which I love them so far. So we'll see how they are for teaching a whole night, because I was getting really sore feet in the sneakers I was in. So these were stylish and comfy. Let's hope they work. All right, we'll make this quick because I have to turn off my aircon when I record, and it is so hot today. But thank you so much for watching this vlog. It's been a random week in my life with kind of my new schedule and my new job. Eugene comes with me, don't you? He's literally the cutest. He's like the little dance class mascot. All the kids love him, and he's honestly such an angel. I thought he'd be a bit crazy, but he just sits, sleeps, loves a pat. It's the best. Anyway, I'm sweating, so we're gonna wrap it up. Do all the little YouTube thingies, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week for my next video, and make sure you watch my previous video as well, because it was a goodie. But yeah, lots of love from Lilybelle Lives.